All right, the recording has begun. This is day number 1, week what? Week 5.
Week 4.
No, week 5. Week 5.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
week 5 of our journey. Yes. Day number 1, week 5 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. So we said, this is the last question that we're on. We said that A was what type of lines? What type of lines are A? Yes, Dion. Yes, Dion.
Parallel line.
Parallel lines. What do we say about parallel lines?
Parallel lines are straight and
What else?
intersect. And
What else do we say about parallel lines? Did I give you a definition for parallel lines?
Excuse me, Mr. Basit, and they don't cross.
All right, they never meet. So parallel lines are equally spaced apart and they never meet. And what type of lines are B?
Intersect lines.
Janique, what type of lines are B?
Intersecting lines.
Intersecting lines, very good.
My camera is off because it's freaking out.
Okay, no problem. Ariana, can you turn on your camera, please? How come every time I would tell you to turn on your camera? Like this is the 5th week. Hello, Ariana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Why do I always have to tell you to turn on your camera? This is the 5th week. All right, let's go on to number 12. Make sure you have your book out, Ariana, and the rest of you. We're on question number 12 in the math book. All right.
Mr. Batit, I'm going to use my tablet and sign on.
Okay, sure, no problem. All right. Tiana, can you read the number 12 for me, please?
use the clock's face to answer question 12. The new day has just begun. A. Write the correct time shown on the clock face using AM or PM to complete the answer.
All right, good. So the question is, what is the correct time that is shown on this clock? I want Ariana to tell me, what time do you think it's on? It's showing.
Is it 1:12?
1:12?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's how about you, Candace? What time is it?
1 o'clock?
What time is it, Candace?
The time today?
No, what time is it on the clock?
The time on the clock. 1:30?
1:30? No.
1 o'clock?
No. All right, Deanna, want to try?
Is it 12:01?
Nope. All right. So let me show you what time is it. So the smaller hand or the shorter hand tells us the what? That tells us the hour. Okay. And the long hand tells us the minute. All right. So if you look carefully, the 12 hand, the short hand is on 12. So the hour is 12. And the long hand is on what?
1.
The long hand is on what? It's in between. It's in between, because this is what? 1 is what? 5, right? Because this is 12. This is 12:01, 12:02, 12:03, 12:04, 12:05, and then it's 12:06. So the correct time for this one is going to be 12:06. Okay? So the correct answer is 12:06. So we're going to put the right time here, 12:06. And they say that you be able to use AM or PM. Now they say that the new day has just begun. So if a new day has just begun, what time is it? AM or PM? If it's a new day.
AM.
AM, very good. We're gonna write 12:06 AM. Make sure I put it right on the line.
Yes, sir.
What time does the clock show, Ariana?
Is it 1:12 a.m.?
Ariana, I literally just said what time it was. If you were paying attention, you would know. I just explained it. What time does the shot clock show?
12:06
Yes,
a.m.
12:06 AM, yes. How do we know it's 12:06? The shorthand is on 12 and the longhand is on 6. Because this is, the 1 is 5, so it's what? It's going to be 12:01, 12:02, 12:03, 12:04, 12:05, and then 12:06. So the correct answer here is 12:06 AM. Candasia, what time is the clock showing?
12:06 a.m.
Good. Deanna, what time is the clock showing?
12:06 a.m.
12:06 AM, very good. Tetranique, what time is the clock showing?
The clock is showing 12:06 a.m.
AM. And DeAndre, what time is the clock showing? DeAndre, what time is the clock showing? DeAndre, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What time is the clock showing?
12:06 a.m.
Very good, 12:06. All right, let's move on to the next question. All right, read the question, Candasia. Your mic is muted. Your mic is muted.
Using the answer from section 12A, write the time shown as it would look on a digital 24-hour clock.
All right. Before we answer this question, what do we mean by, and does anyone know what we mean by 24-hour clock? Does anyone know what we mean by that? Anyone have heard of a 24-hour clock? Anyone? No one? All right, so for a 24-hour clock, right? Instead of writing, okay, so you know how we have 1 o'clock in our time, we have 1 o'clock, then we have 1 o'clock, then we have 2 o'clock, then we have 3 o'clock, and after 3 o'clock is what?
4 o'clock.
Very good. 4 o'clock, and after 4 o'clock is 5 o'clock and everything like that. When we look at army time or for 24-hour clock, it doesn't go like that. Well, after 12, it goes to 13. Then after 13, it goes to 14. And then after 14, it goes to 15 and stuff like that. So that's what they mean by the 24-hour clock. What I would do is I would put a chart for you to see. And then I'll let you write that down. So in your black and white books, I want you to write down this chart. So you're gonna need your black and white books. So in your black and white books, I want you to write down this chart for me. Let me, can you all see the chart?
Now I could see it because my screen was black.
All right,
I
so,
see it.
okay, so if we look at it, right? 1 o'clock, right? Ariana, can you pay attention to the screen and stop looking around? I don't know what's so interesting about your surroundings. Pay attention. Ariana, what is 1 p.m. in military time?
13.
13 o'clock. And what is 2 p.m. in military time?
Is it 14?
14 o'clock. And Tetranik, what is 3 o'clock in 24-hour clock?
Pardon me?
What is 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock, 3 p.m.
No, what is 3 o'clock in 24-hour clock? What is that?
Oh, 150,
No, we say 15 o'clock.
15 o'clock.
All right, and Deanna, what is 4 o'clock? What is 4 p.m.?
16 o'clock.
Very good. And then Candasia, what is 5 p.m.?
7.
Very good, 17. And, or some people say 1700 hours. That's how they say it in military time. They would say 1700 hours. Then they'd say 1800 hours. But for us, we're just gonna say 18 o'clock and 17 o'clock. So, DeAndre, what is 6 p.m. in military time or in 24-hour time? Oh, by the way, Ariana, please write this down. I said that. Write this down in your black and white books. Everyone write this down in your black and white book, please. Don't just look at the screen. DeAndre? DeAndre? Again, from DeAndre. Tedranik, what is 10 o'clock? What is 10 p.m., sorry, in Army time?
And what, pardon me?
What is
May I-
10 p.m. in Army time?
Oh, 10 p.m. is, 22 o'clock.
Very good. So please write this down. So you love it.
Mr. Petit, I took a screenshot of it. So when class finishes, I'll write it down.
Okay, no problem. No, 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 no. Write it down now. I just get what you said.
Yes, sir.
DeAndre. DeAndre,
Yes, sir.
what is 11 p.m. in Army time?
18,000.
11 p.m. What is 11 p.m. in Army time?
23,000.
All right, yes, or 23 o'clock. It's not 23,000, that's 2,300. Again, what is 10 p.m. in Army time, DeAndre? DeAndre, what is 10 p.m. in Army time?
20,
10 p.m. I can't I? What is 10 p.m. in Army time?
22,000.
No, it's not 22,000, it's 2,200. Or you could just say 22 o'clock. So let's try this again. What is 7 p.m. in Army time, DeAndre? DeAndre?
$190.
No, just say 19 o'clock. What is 6 p.m. in Army time, DeAndre?
18 o'clock.
Very good, 18 o'clock. Or you can say 1800. What is 3 o'clock in Army time, DeAndre? All right, are we done with writing this down?
No, sir. So,
No, sir.
All right, no problem.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, I'm finished.
I'm finished.
All right, no problem.
So that means when is, if it's 12:06, it will be 001 then.
I'm finished.
All right, you're saying something, Deanna, you got a question?
I said if it's 12:06, that means the answer will be 001.
You think it'll be 001? Okay, so that's good, that's good. Are we done with writing? Everyone is done with writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, good. So let's go back to the question. The question says what? The question says, using your answer from section 12A, write the time shown as it would look like on the 24-hour clock. So what was our answer? Our answer was what? 12:06 a.m. So if we look at the 24-hour clock, what is 12 a.m.? 12:01. 12:01 is what?
There's
001. And 1 a.m. is 0100. So if we want 12:06 in a 24-hour clock, what we'll have to do is we'll have to write, we'll write it like this. 0, 0, 0, 6. So that's how it's gonna look in the 24-hour clock. 0, 0, 0, 6. So please write that for your answer. So remember, if we look at 12:01, it's 0, 0, 0, 1, right? But 12:06 is gonna be 0, 0, 0, 6.
I'm finished.
Okay. All right, so let's DeAndre, do you have this? Where's DeAndre?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Let's move on to question number 13. Okay, can you read this, please, Ariana?
Use the graph to answer question 3. Rainfall for New Providence. On which day of the week did it rain 3 more inches than the day before?
All right. So it says, on which day did it rain 3 more inches than the day before? So if we look at the diagram, how much inches of rain came on Sunday?
1.
1 inch of rain, very good. How much inch of rain came on Monday?
1.
1 inch, very good. How many inches of rain, DeAndre, came on Tuesday? DeAndre, how much inches of rain came on Tuesday? DeAndre? Hannah from DeAndre can Deja. How much inches of rain came on Tuesday?
Pardon me?
How many inches of rain came on Tuesday?
3.
3, very good. And Tedrick, how many inches of rain came on Wednesday?
5.
No, not 5. I'm sorry.
I mean 4. 4.
Four.
Sorry. 4.
4 inches of rain came on Wednesday. And Ariane, how many inches of rain came on Thursday?
7 inches.
7 inches. So on Wednesday we had what? 4 inches of rain, right? And on Thursday we had what? 7 inches of rain. So on which day of the week did it rain 3 more inches than the day before? Diana?
Hey. Oh.
Thursday.
You think it's Thursday? What do you think, Ariana?
I think it's Thursday also.
Yes, the correct answer is Thursday. So put Thursday. Yeah. So it's Thursday, so it's gonna be 7 minus 4, which is what? Which is 3.
The answer is 3.
No, the answer is Thursday. So the working is 7 minus 3.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
But that's not what you said.
I'm finished.
All right, good. All right, let's move on to question number, the next question. Is this the next question?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, read this question for me. Tedrick,
Pardon me?
read this question for me, please.
Yes, sir. Use the Venn diagram to answer question 14A and 14B. The Venn diagram shows the different types of transportation students in Mrs. Johnson's class use to get to school.
All right, so what is, read that part, please.
Pardon me?
What
What is the total number of students who use the 3 modes of transportation to get to school?
Very good. So it says here, Ariana, look at the screen. Don't look down. I don't know what you're looking down for. The question says, what is the total number of students who use the 3 modes? That's all 3 modes now. What's the total number of students that use all 3 modes of transportation to get to school? All right. So they have to use all three modes. So what is the total number of students who use the three modes of transportation to get to school? Does anyone want to try and answer? Raise your hand.
I do.
Raise your hand. Go ahead, Candice, what you think it is?
I think the answer will be I think the answer will be 5
5? No, that's not right.
or 4.
Why you say 4?
Because 4 of them are getting or riding their cars and they're driving to school.
Okay, interesting. Ariana, what you think it is?
Four.
4? Why do you say 4? 4.
I say 4 because 4 is in the middle of all the circles.
Okay. Deanna, what you think it is?
I think it's 4 too.
Okay, it is correct. The correct answer is definitely 4. Just like how, for the same reason that Ariana said 4, because it's in the middle. All right. So it's in the middle of, it's in the intersection. So I would like for you all to put a box around 4. Okay.
I did that already, Mr. Petit.
So the correct answer is 4 students. So write 4 students. DeAndre, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing the correct answer? DeAndre, are you writing the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, let's move on to the next question.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Can I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, we can.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, we didn't do 4B. 14B.
14B, what it says?
It says, what is the total number of students who did not ride any of the vehicles to get to school?
Yeah, we go into that right now. That's this number. So she read it already. What is the total number of students who did not? The key word is did not. Did not ride any of the vehicles to get to school. All right. So what's the answer? Tetranik, what do you think? Who did not?
Oh, I think it's the B. I think it's the bicycle.
I think it's no, they say they want the number of students who did not use
Oh.
the bicycle, the jitney, or the car.
Oh, the number of students who didn't use any.
No, they didn't use any.
7.
No, not 7. What you think, Diana?
I think 3.
3? No. Ariane, what you think? They did not use any.
I think it's 13 because 13 is out of all the circles.
Yeah, that's correct. It is 13. Because if you look at it, 13 is not a part of any of the circles. It's out by itself. So it's 13 students. So write 13 students on the line.
I'm done.
All right, so let's go to question number. The next question. What is the next question? I wonder. Yeah. What does the next question say?
There's no more questions. It goes on to page 11.
It
Okay.
goes to execution,
So,
instruction, students,
so it goes
and
to
then
it goes to
computer.
computation. Okay, so this is the first question on computation, right?
Yes.
Okay, so please answer that addition problem on the computation. Answer it. Your answer is supposed to be 2099. Once you finish, answer it, please let me know. Okay.
I'm finished.
All right, are y'all finished with this question?
Yes, sir.
I remember doing this in class, so I don't have to write anything.
Did you do it in your Glat book is the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, Ariana, are you done?
Yes, sir.
DeAndre, are you finished? DeAndre. DeAndre, are you there? Wonder where's DeAndre? Let me call DeAndre.
I'm here.
Okay, DeAndre, if you cannot speak, use the chat box. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Do you have this written down in your Glat book?
Yes, I have it.
Okay. All right, let's go on to the next question. Answer the next question, please. The next question should be a what? I think it's a subtraction question. No, it's the boxes.
Yes,
So,
it's
the
not
box.
this.
Not this one, no. It is the boxes one. Where's that? No. So answer the questions with the boxes, please. I think it's this. Answer that one.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, I'm finished.
All right, good. All right, are we done with this question?
Yes, sir.
DeAndre, are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so let's move on to the next question. The next question is what? Subtraction? Or what?
Yes, sir. The next question.
Is it this?
No, so it's 4 as a whole number and 1/5 plus 7 as a whole number 3/4.
Oh, this.
Yes, sir.
Do y'all remember how to do this?
I remember.
All right, do it in your book first. Do it in your black and white book first, and then do it in your Glat book. Don't do it in your Glat book yet. Do it in your black and white book, and then when you get the answer, tell me. Let me see if you remember how to do this. Do it in your do it in your black and white book first, and then do it in your and then tell me what you get first before you attempt it.
I got an answer.
All right.
I got 11 as my full number and 19. And for my fraction, I got 19 over 20.
I did up 20. Okay. What's the first thing that you did?
The first thing I did was I write the factors and I said, what
Not
what
factors. It's not factors.
I mean the multiples saying what factor or
not
no,
factor. It's not factors.
I mean
The
what multiple does 5 and 4 have in common, which is 20. So I put the two 20s as my denominator and I say
wait. Did you find the lowest common multiple first?
yes, sir, which is 20.
How did you find the lowest common multiple?
I had to write out my multiples.
Very good. Okay, after that,
After that, I put 20, the two 20s as my denominator.
okay,
And I say what times 5 gave me 20, which is 4.
Mhm.
Which is 4. And then we say what times 5 gives us 20 to make sure that the denominators is right. So which is 4, and what times 4 gives us 20, which is 5. So we say, so we have to say 1 times 4, 1 times 4 is 4. So we have to put the 4 as the denominator and we say, what times 4 gives us 20, which is 5. So we put the 5 after 4 and we say 3 times 5 is 15, and we add 15 plus 4, which 15 plus 4 is 19. So we put 19 as our denominator and we as our numerator, and we keep the same denominator, which is 20, and then we say 7 plus 4 is 11. So we put the 11 down, and that's how I got my answer.
Anyone do it like that? Ariana, how did you do yours?
First, I added the whole numbers that equals to 11. Then I found the lowest common multiple of the denominators, which is 6 and 4.
6 and 4.
Oh, sorry, 5 and 4.
Okay. What is the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4?
I didn't do it yet.
Okay, so do that now. Tetronic, what did you do?
Yes, sir.
What did you do?
Pardon me?
What did you do? What did you do?
Oh, I didn't have to do anything because I already wrote this down in my book long time.
Oh yeah, we did this in class together. I remember that. DeAndre, how are you doing it? How are you answering the question? DeAndre,
Yes, sir.
how are you answering the question?
I already have it in my book.
In your, do you already have in your Glat book?
Yes, sir.
How?
I write it down.
How did you do it? Explain to me how did you get your answer?
Pardon? Pardon me?
Explain to me how you got your answer.
I got my answer by
What's the first thing you did?
the first thing I did was find I got 20.
How you got 20?
5 times
How did you get 20? This is what to do. DeAndre, take a picture of your work and send it to me. Let me see. Take a picture of it. Take a picture of it and send it to me. Let me see how you got it. Can Deja, you finish?
No, sir.
What are you doing? Tell me how you're doing.
So I got 11 as my whole number. So now I'm multiplying 3 times 5 and 1 times 4 and 5 times 4, 3 times 5 and 4 times 5.
Did you find the lowest common multiple?
Yes, sir, and it is 20.
Okay, 20. All right, then continue with your work. Ariana, did you finish?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer? What is your answer, Ariana?
My answer is 11 as the whole number and 19 over 20.
Okay. Tedronique. Tedronique,
Yes, sir.
can you explain what you have in your paper, please?
Okay, on my paper, I have, so I have to find the LCM of 5 and 4. So I write my 5 times table and my 4 times table. My 5 times tables I have 5, 10, 15, 20. Then I circle the 20. And then for 4 I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Then I circle the 20. Then I put 1 times 4 over 5 times 4 plus 3 times 5 over 4 times 5. And that equals 4 over 20 plus 15 over 20. And then when I add that all up, my answer is 11 over 19 over 20.
You mean 11 as your whole number?
Yes, sir. 11 as my whole number, plus 19 over 20.
That's a fraction, okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Right then. So, and what you got, Ariana?
11 is the whole number and 19 over 20.
Okay, that's correct. All right, so we're gonna inhale. We're gonna inhale, and then we can come back tomorrow, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So we're gonna end a bit early. So tomorrow we're gonna do it together in our books. All right.
Okay, bye.
All right,
Yes,
take care.
sir.
Bye.
All right, take care.